Now we are studying the first lesson of Class 6 Geography Ncert, the Earth in our solar system. So what are celestial bodies? Sun, moon and all objects shining in the night sky. So the exact definition of a celestial body, it is any natural body that is present outside of the Earth's atmosphere. So any natural body that is present outside of the Earth's atmosphere is considered as a celestial body. Now Sun, 8 planets, satellites and other celestial bodies. Asteroids and meteoroids are also considered as celestial bodies from the solar system. Sky is filled with tiny shining objects, but we can't see moon and stars in daylight because of the bright light of the sun. So because of the bright light of the sun, we can see moon and stars in daylight. Now stars, these are big, hot and made up of gas, having their own heat and light which they emit in larger amounts. Sun is also a star because it is big, hot and made up of gas having its own heat and light. Even though it is big, hot and they emit them in larger amounts, but we can't feel their heat and they look small because they are very far from us. So what is a constellation? These are the patterns formed by group of stars. Examples are Ursa Major, that is called Big Bear, and easily recognizable one is Saptarshi, also called as Seven Sages, and Pole Star, also known as North Star, and it is used to indicate direction, especially north direction. Planets, these are the celestial bodies but without their own heat and light, unlike the stars. Moon, it is a natural satellite to Earth. Now Sun, it is huge and made up of extremely hot gases, and it provides a huge pulling force that binds the solar system, and it is the source of heat and light for solar system. It is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth, and light from the sun takes approximately 8 minutes to reach the Earth. So it provides huge pulling force that binds the solar system, and it is the source of heat and light for solar system. So what is a nebula? It is an interstellar cloud of dust, hydrogen and other ionized gases. These are the star forming regions. Planets revolve around the sun in elliptical orbits. Mercury is smallest and it is closest to the sun. A year is approximately 88 days. And Venus, this is also called as Earth's twin because of the similar size and shape. Mars, there is a possibility of life, and Jupiter, it is made up of hydrogen, helium and methane. So distance, when it is, planets revolve around the sun in elliptical orbits. When the planet, it is closest to the sun, it is called perihelion, and when it is farthest from the sun, it is called aphelion. Now Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them. These rings are made up of debris. So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus have rings. Earth, it is the third nearest to sun and it is the fifth largest planet. Earth is flattened on both ends. So the shape is called geoid. Earth is flattened on both ends and bulge in the center. It is a unique planet. It has life supporting gases like oxygen and 3/4 of it is covered by water, so it is also called blue earth. Earth is favorable because it is neither too hot nor too cold. Now what is a satellite? It is a celestial body revolves around the planets just like planets revolving around the sun. These are natural and man-made. Natural satellite is moon for Earth, and man-made is used to gather information or for communication. So man-made satellites are used for information or for communication. Examples are Ncert, EduSat, etc. Moon, it moves around the Earth in 27 days. It has neither water nor air, and it has mountains, plains and depressions on surface. Full moon night is called Purnima. New moon night is called Amavasya. First man to step on moon is Neil Armstrong. So what are asteroids? Numerous tiny bodies move around the sun, found between orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So asteroids are tiny bodies found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So what are meteorites? Small pieces of rocks move around the sun are called meteoroids. When they come near to the earth, they tend to drop, and because of friction, they get heated up and burn. These are called meteors. And sometimes, when they, without being completely burnt, falls on the earth, creating a hollow. This is called meteoroid. So now, solar system is a part of galaxy, and galaxy consists of huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. And there are millions of galaxies in the universe. So Earth is part of solar system is part of galaxy, and galaxy is a part of universe. Thank you.